guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss, if you have literally £0 to your name, do not let that stop you from getting into property. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today what I'm going to speak to you guys about is, if you literally have £0 to your name, literally zero, do not let that stop you from getting into property. And is there even a way for you to get into property? And I'm going to be the angel in your ear to say yes, you can. So of course not maybe £0 to your name, because if you invest in my course you need something. But what I'm just trying to say is, once you finish investing in my course and you feel like, oh my gosh, I don't have money for a deposit, and oh my gosh, I don't have money for the first month rent, it's fine. Don't let that stop you, and let me explain to you why. Alright, cool. So first of all, guys, there's so many people that are in this property game that started literally with zilch, with nothing. Either they self-taught themselves or they purchased a course that was affordable, and they wanted to learn how to get into it, and they just done it. And so let's literally say you have nothing to your name and you want to get into property. What you need to do is you need to negotiate with the landlord. And I actually have a video where I actually speak about how to negotiate with the landlord. So go on my playlist, on my property playlist, and find that. It should be there. But what I'm just trying to say is, negotiating is super strong. Don't let your financial situation affect your long term. I'm telling you, so many of these millionaires, billionaires now, they had zilch to their name, they self-taught themselves, or they literally invested in some sort of course for them to learn what to, or even a mentor for them to learn what to do, and then they started to take action. Money, it's not always money, money, money. If you are confident in this property game and you're confident to show the landlord that I know my stuff, I know what I need to do for your property to even get that cash flow coming in, and I know that with my marketing skills, I can be getting you, for example, £850 a month continuously for a year, even 5 years, depending on what you want to do, and then it's a hand off for you. Once you show the landlord that you're confident in what you do, money's never the issue. The thing that's an issue sometimes is you not being confident in speaking to them, saying this is what I do, but they can't really see the confidence in it. You're just saying, your mouth is moving, but your actions is speaking different. And when I say that, it's a thing where you need to be confident. Like, I always preach about confidence, because it's all about confidence. Don't let your money situation affect you right now. If you want to get into property, get into it. Don't listen to these gurus where they talk about things like, oh, you need to put a lot of money down to even get into rent to rent. That's a lie, because I teach my students, they literally come from a thing where I literally see it like this. If I got myself into something, I'm going to want to put a lot of money in it. So when I teach my students, I show them how to get property where it's already fully furnished, where you don't need to put no money in it. And that's the beauty of what I do, I believe, because there's gurus out there where they'll be saying things like, oh, you need to put 5k to refurbish a property. Why am I refurbishing a property that isn't even mine? People say this thing where, oh, landlords are happy for you to do the whole rent to rent when you refurbish it. That's a nice selling point. No, darling. Landlords are happy for you to provide them guaranteed rent a month, hands off, and you're managing the property. People put nonsense in your head sometimes that you need to literally just block and remove it, because it's a thing where you can't listen to everybody. I believe in starting with a small amount of money, because you don't want to be putting your all eggs in one basket. And that's why I also show you when it comes to the tenancy agreement. Sometimes people are a bit excited. They can see that a landlord says yes, 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 but then it's a bad location. And then they're like, oh my gosh, what do I do? Blah, blah, blah. The thing is, I teach you how to find out if it's even a good location from the get-go. That's one of the first things I even teach in my masterminds, just because I need you guys to know that location is seriously important. And so once you know the location is perfect, then it's time to get your game face on, okay? So what I want to do is just tell you guys that if you honestly don't have money to your name, like where you like, honestly, if you don't really have much to your name, it's a thing where you can still get into property. It's about you negotiating the deal. It's about you being consistent with it. You need to get your brain into gear. You need to push even more harder. Don't let money stop you from your blessings. And let me say that again. Do not let money stop you from your blessings. Because if you love property and you're scared about the money side of it, you don't need to stack up 5K. You don't need to stack up 2K. None of that. Like literally, I show you how to do it. I show you how to negotiate. And that's the beauty of property. And I'm telling you, people might be saying into your ear, well, who would actually do that? What landlord would, do that if they can make it themselves? Landlords have lives, darling. Not all landlords wanted to be a landlord to be managing property. Let me say that again. Not all landlords bought property in order to manage their property. Why do you think there's estate agents around the world? Like, tell me, why do you think there's estate agents around the world? Right now, I'm giving you good points here. Like, I'm telling you facts here. Take that in, okay? Okay. So, guys, today I just wanted to speak and touch upon that because I need you guys to understand all of this stuff. So, before I leave today, make sure you comment down below and tell me what you thought of the video. Make sure also you subscribe to my channel. Turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday when I post at 7 p.m. And also make sure you add me on Instagram. It's Oniru, guys. And guys, I just want to say God bless you. Thank you so much for watching towards the end. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.